You can put any ingredient on a pizza and it will still taste delicious. Today we're gonna find out if that's true. We're gonna use a computer which will decide what to put on our pizza. It's going to use machine learning. The model is called GPT-3 and I used it before in my cocktail video. For the base of our pizza, we're going to make a Napolitan pizza dough. This does require a few steps, but I'm going to take you through it very quickly. We're going to put some water, yeast and some honey in a bowl. Then we're going to add the flour and mix it up for about 5 minutes. After that, we cover it up with a towel and let it rest for an hour. Now that the dough had some time to rise, we're going to add the final ingredients, which are flour, some salt and olive oil. So for the last step, we're gonna mix everything together, cover it up with some plastic wrap and a towel and let it rest for another hour. Next, we're gonna cut the dough in half and make sure it weighs around 250 grams. Then we use some very advanced Italian technique to create perfectly rounded dough balls. We cover it in plastic and leave it around room temperature for 6 to 8 hours. And our dough is complete! Yay! Now it's time to add the pizza toppings. I put a machine learning model to work and created recipes based on 4 different themes. For each theme, the computer generated the best fitting recipe. The first theme is the developer theme. This looks like a pizza that every developer would like. Next up, I wanted to challenge the algorithm a bit more and I tried vegan to see if the computer would understand that it shouldn't use any animal related products. The next couple of categories were a bit more experimental. I tried to give it Japan and fast food. The results were very interesting. It's time to start with the pizza toppings. Let's first do the developer slice. This requires some cube chicken, spinach, onion rings and some mozzarella on top. Very simple, very delicious. Next up is the vegan slice. This calls for some zucchini, onions, mushrooms, basil and then we top it off with some oregano. You might have already seen it, but at this point I realized I did something really stupid and I have to reorganize the pizza a bit. Now that everything is moved in the correct place, it's time to start with the Japan theme slice. I started by layering some flavored rice on top of the tomato sauce. Then I added some basil, grated some cheese, added mayonnaise. And to make it even more crazy, I chopped up some sushi and layered it on top. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty skeptical about this one. The last slice of our AI generated pizza is the fast food slice. This one calls for basil, cheese, sausages, a hamburger and some fries. Now that our masterpiece is done, let's put it in my perfectly clean oven, wait 12 minutes and it's beautiful. Oh my god, here it is. It looks delicious, right? I'm so excited to try it out. Ooh. I wanted a nice name for this pizza, right? To give it some respect. And I asked my Italian colleague and she came up with the following name. Quattro Ferdelli Digitali.
Quattro cervelli digitali.
Quattro cervelli digitali, which basically means 4 digital brains, because each side has been generated by artificial intelligence. So I thought it was really awesome. So this is the 4 digital brain pizza. It's finally time to try it out. Let's cut the first slice and see how it tastes. The developer pizza. This is really good. the barbecue sauce, onions, spinach. Yeah, it's just a really good pizza. Just the AI did well on this one. Now let's try a piece which I'm not really looking forward to. The Japan pizza. Okay. Oh my god, so if you can see, it actually has sushi on top and rice and mayonnaise. Like the mayonnaise is... Oh god. Okay, well, wish me luck. I'm really not looking forward to trying this one. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good either. It's like a waste of sushi. To be honest, it is better than I expected it to be. The rice is still, yeah, it's sort of like he put rice on a sandwich, I guess. I would never order this anywhere. It's quite okay. I think with some extra work you can make this good, I think. If you put just a little bit extra on it, I think it could really work. Oh my god. Let's do the vegetarian one. So, I'm gonna try the vegetarian now. Okay. The onion is nice. I feel like this one is a bit too dry. Maybe I should have put a bit more sauce on this one, or yeah, it's missing some vegan cheese or whatever. It's just like vegetables on a tomato pizza. Ah. Well, it's quite enjoyable. Are you ready for the last tasting? It's gonna be the fast food themed pizza. So what we got here is the fast food slice. Over here we have like the sausage, a bit of the burger, the cheese and the fry. Oh my god. I don't know what to expect of this one. I think this one is actually pretty good. Maybe it should also have it also maybe needs a bit of sauce. And I think the fries are too much potato-ish, but overall, I mean, this is a good pizza. Ooh. I'm not too sure about it though. So at first it tastes nice, but then it's a bit boring actually. It's not really any special taste, so it's not bad, but it's not great either. Alright, so these are like the slices. The developer pizza is definitely my favorite one, but I think this is also the one that looks like a normal pizza recipe with like chicken and barbecue sauce. But yeah, conclusion, you cannot fuck up pizza. You can put anything on the pizza that you want and it will always be good. So thanks a lot for watching. If you like this, subscribe. Maybe I'll do like another recipe, like I'm thinking about pasta, maybe random pasta recipes. So please let me know if you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and yeah, see you later. Bye. I need a thumbnail picture as well. Nice.